Good morning, students. Welcome to Biology class, Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. In the previous class, we have studied about heterotrophic nutrition. Few plants and all animals are dependent on others for their nutrition and are called heterotrophs. Their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Few types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is parasitic, saprophytic, and insectivorous. Already you have learned in detail in your previous class. In this class, let's learn in detail about symbiotic relationship or symbiosis. Some organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This is called symbiotic relationship or symbiosis. Lichens are the best example for symbiotic relationship. What are lichens? Lichens are organisms in which algae and fungus live together. Here, algae contains chlorophyll. It's the chlorophyll containing partner. So it can prepare its own food by photosynthesis. But fungus, due to the lack of chlorophyll, it cannot prepare its food by photosynthesis. Then, how do they help each other? The fungus provides shelter, water, and minerals to the algae, and in return, the algae provides food which it prepares by photosynthesis to the fungus. So, this is an best example for symbiotic relationship. Here you can see some more examples for symbiotic relationship. Certain fungi live in the roots of trees. The tree provides nutrients to the fungus and in return receives help from it to take up water and nutrients from the soil. This association is very important for the tree. Here in this picture you can see ants provide protection from predators and harsh winters, whereas aphids provide nutrition in the form of honeydew to the ants. So they mutually help each other. This is also an example for symbiotic relationship. During photosynthesis, plants prepare starch, but the crops require a lot of nitrogen to make proteins. After the harvest, the soil becomes deficient in nitrogen. Though nitrogen gas is available in plenty in the air, plants cannot use it in the gaseous form. They use nitrogen in the soluble form. So, how do they get this soluble nitrogen? Rhizobium bacterium can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a soluble form. But rhizobium cannot make its own food. So, it lives in the roots of gram, peas, mung, beans, and other legumes. The bacteria provides the plants with nitrogen, and in return, the plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Thus, they have symbiotic relationship. Have a close look at the rhizobium bacterium present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. Replenishment of nutrients in the soil. Have you seen farmers spreading manure or fertilizers in the fields, or gardeners using them in lawns or in pots? Why they are added to the soil? The plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil, so their amount in the soil keep on declining. These nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. We can grow plants and keep them healthy if we can fulfill the nutrient requirements of plants. So, fertilizers and manures contain plant nutrients or added to the soil. The plant nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, etc. That's why farmers use manure or fertilizers in the fields to enrich the soil. Since fertilizers are chemicals, they can pollute the soil as well as nearby water bodies. So, farmers do not need to add nitrogen fertilizer to the soil in which leguminous plants are grown. The rhizobium bacterium present in the root nodules of leguminous plants is of great significance for the farmers. So, the leguminous plants help in the replenishment of soil by fixing more nitrogen content in the soil. In this chapter, you learn that most of the plants are autotrophs. That is, they prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide. Only a few plants adopt other modes of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition like parasitic, saprophytic, and insectivorous. They derive nutrients from other organisms.